This is the new Fisherman MAX 2. This thing is freaking epic. It can carry 7 pounds, and it's actually really easy to set up. Really compact, really powerful. And I've been using the Swell Pro drones for like over a year now. I love them. I've got nothing bad to say about them. They're just amazing quality products.
Go, but that's gorgeous. There you go.
There we go.
Perfect, perfect. Taking that hook out. Wow.